All right, so now that we've got all that setup stuff out of the way, let's actually go and take a look at what Salesforce gave us for the community. So this is the standard partner template. And as you can see out of the box, you get kind of a lot of stuff going on, right? So we're going to make some modifications to this, but what Salesforce gives you in the template is, a search, a navigational header, a place to drop down the notification bar, some lead inboxes, a number of components on the page. That's all just without us having to do anything. But we want to make it custom for us a little bit. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into the theme. We're going to go to the colors tab, and we're going to set the color palette of the community. And the easiest way to do that is generate that from an image that is related to your community or your company's marketing materials. So we've already got ours set up. I'm going to choose this image right here. And you can see we've got different color links, we've got action colors, we've got new detail text colors, really quick thing, and we've got a whole dramatic change in the coloring of the page. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to images, and we're going to give ourselves a company logo. So again, you'll be probably uploading from here, but I've already got them uploaded. Go to my asset library. And let's just pick a company logo. All right, so we've got our CRM Science logo on there. And what that's going to do is, I don't know if you can see it over here, but we've got a little logo in here next to the search box.